There's a Cat in Our Class, A Tale About Getting Along, by Jeannie Franz Ransom, illustrated by Brian Langdo. There were 18 students in Miss Biscuit's class, until crisscross gravy sauce. Pause in your lap, Miss Biscuit said, as the class got in a circle for their morning meeting. I have some exciting news. We have a new student joining us after lunch. A boy or a girl, Max asked. A girl, Miss Biscuit said. The girls yipped and yapped. Not another girl, Rusty whined. Girls roll, boys drool, Ginger sniffed. Hey, girls drool too, Tanner said. Boy, girl, that doesn't matter, Miss Biscuit said. What matters is that we make her feel welcome. I've already told Samantha that I have the nicest class in the whole school. When the class came back from lunch, the new student was already there. Miss Biscuit, you didn't tell us we were getting a cat in our class, Tanner said. I didn't think I needed to, Miss Biscuit said. Let's show Samantha how nice you are with a big welcome wag. Give your neighbor plenty of wagging room. Okay, class, it's story time, Miss Biscuit said. Samantha, please come join us on the rug. Miss Biscuit's class was usually very good about following directions. Usually. Tanner, what are you chewing on? Max, do you need to go to the nurse? Ginger, leave Holly's collar alone, please. Keep your paws to yourself, and who's ever panting, please stop, Miss Biscuit said. Yeah, Rusty, stop panting, Holly said. You're drooling all over the rug. Ew! Class, Miss Biscuit barked, find a spot to sit and stay. There's plenty of room next to Samantha. But cats make me nervous, Rusty said. Me too, Ginger said. I'm going to start shedding any minute.